Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Yes, lovely. Children, in today's English class, we will learn about vowel. You all know the vowels A, E, I, O and U. Today, we will learn about their sound. We will learn about their sound. So let's begin our class to learn vowel sound A. Vowel sound A says A. The sound of vowel A is A. The sound of vowel A is A, as in ant, astronaut, alligator, arm. So many words. If you look around, you will come to know, just like an apple. Now, you know children, when this sound is combined with some consonant, the sound changes. How the sound changes? Do you want to learn it? Okay, so let's begin. And you know children, when we add these vowels to some consonants, you remember the consonants like B, C, D, F, G, H and so on. When you add them, when you join them together, their sound changes. Now, let's look at these pictures and these words where A is in between two different consonants and how does their sound changes to form a new word. Let's start. Look at the pictures and read aloud. You can see this picture is of a fan. Now let's see how does fan spells. F, which is a consonant. A, which is a vowel. N, which is a consonant. So the sound, let's say their sounds now. F says F. F, A, no. Fan. Oh yes. We are able to read. Fan. Everyone say fan. Read aloud. Fan. Fan. Let's move to the another picture now. After fan, there is a boy. What is he doing? We don't know. Let's read. R, A, N, which says R. R says R. A says A. N. Ran. Ran. Yes, you are right. After ran, there is a picture of a man. Man. M-A-N, which pronounce it as M. M says M. A. N. Man. Man. Fan. Ran. Man. Now let's look at the another picture. C-A-P, which says cap. 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 We all like to wear cap during summer season? Yes? Cap. Cap. Now let's look at the another picture. The last picture is of a tap. Tap matlab nalka. Tap. Tap. Repeat after me. Tap. Tap. Wonderful children. You all were able to read aloud. Very nice. Clap for yourself. It's time to learn more vowel A sound words. Now, we will learn them. We will read and learn them with the help of a consonant. Like, look and read aloud. As you can see, A and B are together. It makes a sound of A, B. When A and B are added together, they become friends and they make a new sound. App. Let's look at the app words. Now we will read them app together. Okay? So let's add any consonant to app. Just like C, A, B. K, app. Cap. D, app. Da. Similarly, let's look at these words and form new different words. C-A-B, cab, cab. Cab. D-A-B, dab. D-ab, dab. D-ab, dab. The next word is J-A-B, j-ab, jab. Jab. The next word is N. N says no. No, ab, nap. Nap. Children, try to read A-B sound together. App. Now, look at the last word. The last word is T. App. T-ab, tab. Tab. So now, this way we are able to read add words. Let us all read add words. A and D together forms add. Add. You know children, wall A is so friendly. हर किसी के साथ वो अपना new word बना देता है. Isn't it? Just like you all. Yeah. Add words. Today we will read now. It's time to read about add words. A-D, add. Add words are B-A-D. B-adder, bad. B-adder, bad. Bad matlab bura. The next word is D-add, dad. Dad. D-A-D, dad. After that, H-A-D, had. Her-adder, had. Let's all read M-A-D together. M says add, mad. Mad. P-A-D, pad. Pad. Sad. Sad. S-adder, sad. This way, we're able to read add words. Now, let's read ag words. A-G, ag. Ag. The first ag word is B-A-G. B-ag, bag. Bag. Similarly, G-A-G, g-ag, gag. Gag. The next word is L-A-G, lag. Lag. N-A-G, nag. Nag. R-A-G, rag. Rag. T-A-G, tag. Tag. Do you know what is the meaning of tag? Tag, anything when you buy has a tag over it. It's written the price. Okay, so that is called tag. The next word is W-A-G, wag. The dog wag its tail. Wag means zor se poonch hilana. When the dogs are in a very affectionate mood, जब वो बहुत किसी को प्यार करते हैं, उसको देखकर they move their tail. That is called wag. Wag, wag. Now we have learned about add words, ag words and ab words. It's time to learn about am words. It's time to learn about am words. The first am word is D-A-M. Dam. Dam. You know what is a dam? Dam is a bridge where the water is stopped. The river water or the sea water is stopped. The next word is ham. Ham. Ma'am. M-A-M, ma'am. Now, let's look at the next word. J-A-M, jam. Yummy jam. The strawberry jam. Yeah? Jam. After jam comes M-A-M, ma'am. Ma'am. The next word is R-A-M, ram. Ram. The next one is yam. Y says yo. Am, yam. Yam. Now children, let us all learn an words. An says an. CAN together forms can. The next word is fan. Fan. You all know what is fan. PAN says pan. 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 Man. MAN, man. Man means admi. Man. Like your dad or your grandfather is a man. Ran. Ran. Repeat after me. Ran. 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 And the last an word is VAN. Van. You all must be going to school in a van. Yes? Van. This is called van. Now children, we have learned about an words. It's time to read app words. AP. App. App. As in app. Cap. 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 LAP says app. Lap. 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 Lap matlab godi. MAP says M says app. Map. Map, you all know, is a naksha. It can be of any city or of any country too. After map is NAP. 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 Nap is a short sleep. Then comes wrap. RAP. Wrap. Wrap. After that, it is TAP. 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 After app words, let's know about at words. AT together says at. As in BAT. At. Bat. CAT. At. Cat. FAT. At. Fat. Bat. Cat. Fat. Let's look at other vocabulary words of at. HAT. At. Hat. Hat. MAT. 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 RAT. At. Rat. Rat. So children, now we have learned about so many A vowel words. A is a friendly vowel and it has so many. Now, it's your task. It's your task to read these words again and again so that you can memorize them and will be able to read alone in the other classes too. Now it's time for me to say bye-bye.